long time I'm posting a video, so I hope you all will be doing great. And let's start with the video. And this video is regarding the chef visa in Germany. Like a cook, you can apply for the for a restaurant in the Germany. So we will be discussing about the whole overall process for this, and these requirements, and how the things will proceed here in Germany after arriving. So I am going to explain all these things. So let's start with the experience. In the experience, where here we'll be considering like you should be having the vocational training or 2+ years of experience in the same field, like the as a cook, so that you can show this as experience in embassy. So it's better. Uh, and another thing is like 5 years of experience. If you don't have any like course or etc. done in here, then you should be having 5 years of experience, and it should be in the restaurant, in the reputed restaurant, so that it would be easy for the embassy to inquire the things if they will be required. So another thing is like regarding the employment contract. You should be having the employment contract for which you are from the restaurant for which you are going to apply in the Germany. And yeah, it should be located in the Germany. The restaurant for which you are applying, it should be in Germany. So next thing is checklist. First point here in the checklist is with the passport. You should be having the passport. It should be with the 2 pages blank, and it should be having the 6 months of validity. Only in this case, your passport application would be considered. It is the foremost point. Next point is regarding the application form. Here filling of the form is different from the form I have discussed in other video. So I would be I would try to complete this in the next video, and I will post independent video for this. So another thing, like the third point is in the checklist is proof of qualification. Have to show them proof of qualification, whether you have done sometimes it's a case like someone has studied only with the till the 10th standard, so they should have their proof of qualification. So if you don't have, you can arrange the stamp paper like this, which is showing your proof of qualification. Like your stamp paper always show like you are wholly solely responsible for the things you have written on this, and if it will be false, then like legal action could be taken against you. So it's better if you don't have any certificate, you have to justify it on stamp paper. Okay, the next part is work experience. This as I have discussed above, it should be either vocation training or 5 years of experience in the reputed restaurant. Other is resume, which will be showing your detailed name, address, contact detail, what you have done so far, your education, everything. It should be written on the resume. If will be feasible, I will try to arrange a new independent video on this. Then is the employment declaration. This is you should be having from the restaurant for which you are going to apply in the Germany. So it is basically the document issued by your restaurant for which you are applying, which is located in the Germany. So these whole points should be you have to keep in mind while applying for the this visa thing and before going to embassy. The next one is birth certificate. You should be having your birth certificate, and And other option is your 10th certificate. When you don't have any certificate, then your 10th certificate could also be considered. Then your proof of residence, like your national identity, your in India, like Aadhaar card, etc. You should be having there as a proof of your residency in India. After all this, like whole this, like till now the process, you have to contact the nearby German embassy. Like how could you contact? You have to make the appointment with these people. So on the set details or appointment date, you should be should go there, and with all these documents, your case could be like easy for them to consider. So you should be carrying other documents too if they would be requiring it. Whatever the documents relevant to you, your PAN card, etc., you should be all these carrying, so that it could be easy for them or to you while they would when they ask you to submit more documents if they are not clear about your identity. So when you, after all this process, like completing the requirements set by the embassy, then you will get the visa, and this visa is of 3 months. Initially they give you 3 months, but it's extendable. It could be extendable? It could be extendable only when you will be arriving in Germany. You have to contact your nearby Landkreis, where your department is like Ausländebehörde. So you have to contact these peoples, and before contacting these people, you have to go to like health insurance for you. All these things could be done by your employer. So health insurance, whatever the documents you are going to make in Germany, first you would be requiring your health insurance. So first of all, after reaching Germany, you should contact the health insurance department here. So you would be having your health insurance card, and wherever you're going here and there, your residency submission, etc. You could show this as your identity, like you have landed, and it's because it's based on your detail in the passport, like you have landed in Germany and on this date, and you would be working with this firm or restaurant. Based on this, you would be issued this health insurance card. Okay, then Landkreis will also maybe ask you to submit more documents of the same form which we have discussed in the checklist. So after all these requirements set by the Landkreis also, your visa will be extended. It could be 1 year, 2 year. It depends upon the wish of the Landkreis or Ausländebehörde. But you have to keep in mind while selecting the restaurant, you should be selecting the restaurant. It should be from that country where you are residing. Like if you are selecting the Indian restaurant, then you should be resident of India, like India. So that was all for this video. So hope to see you in the next video. So till then, bye bye, take care. Please subscribe my channel, and we will discuss about more. Thank you. Bye bye.